Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to enable call forwarding in your Technopop 9 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your phone call app, click on settings. Here it is career features. Click on Geo 4G and here it is call forwarding, voice call and video call. Click on any one of them. Here it is 4 written. Always forward, when busy, when unanswered, when unreachable. You have to click on 1 and put the number that when someone is calling to your phone and if you are busy, this call will forward to that number that is written on here. Just write here the number and click on turn on like this. And this is how you can set call forwarding. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.